Hello and welcome to my channel, where today I am excited to show you how I made a beautiful linen blouse. The pattern that I used is called George pattern by Atelier Bernie. It only had short sleeves, but I decided to modify it by using another pattern from the same brand to add long sleeves. As someone who loves sewing, I've made quite a few dresses and skirts, but I realized that I have very few long-sleeved blouses that I can wear during the winter season. Living in Norway, our winters are quite long, and I hardly get to wear my short-sleeved summer clothes. I copied the top half of the pattern instead of cutting it, so that I can use it to make a dress in the future. What attracted me to this pattern was the princess seams that allow the clothes to fit your body perfectly. However, it's also essential to make necessary changes to adapt the pattern to your shape. For this blouse, I used this ivory linen that was left over from another project. The texture of the fabric was just perfect. I attached fusible interfacing to the front and the back facings to give it a little bit more structure. Before, I used to skip steps like interfacing to go faster and ended up with soft and floppy collars and cuffs. But now, I enjoy taking my time and have better finished garments that I know I'll wear for a long time. For princess seams, it's better to overlock the pieces first so that we can iron it open after sewing. I also decided to add back ties for my blouse, as I think it gives a more finished look and a better fit on the waist. When pinning curved lines like that, it's essential to mark each notch from the pattern to the fabric. After attaching the front to the back, we can see the shape of the garment taking form, and I'm already loving it. The next step is to sew the facings together and then attach them to the bodice. Clipping into the curved seams will give it a smoother look when we turn the facing in. I understitched the facing, but I realized that when I fold over the collar, the stitches will be visible. If I sew this pattern again, I will give it a good press instead of understitching. I use this sleeve and the cuff patterns because of the pin tucks that give it an elegant vintage touch. If you're interested in seeing more details, you can check out my Elizabeth blouse sew-along video. For the hem, I overlocked the edge and made only one fold so that it won't look too thick and heavy. I love how the blouse turned out. It's a great basic to match with jeans. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.